Hi guys, postman's bin. Quite a light package. It does say RC toy model parts. Addressed to Grandad is an old man. So I'm pretty sure this is AliExpress. Pretty sure. So how do we open it? I think there's a seam along there. I'm pretty sure this will be the 2.4 gigahertz toy grade transmitter and receiver that I've ordered. I can't think of anything else that will be packaged like this. So it's very lightweight, so it's not going to be a lot inside. Okay, yep, that's what it is. 2.4 gigahertz for 3 motors. 1, 2, 3, and a power supply in Chinese. Nothing else in there. Nice little box. And if you've been watching all my videos, which I don't honestly expect, I do put rather a lot of videos up, then you'll know this is probably going to be for the tractor. Although it also work just as well for a tank or something like that. Oh, that's a bit annoying. Ah. Did I remember you could turn them around? Doesn't look like it. I'm pretty sure the one I looked at had left and right and forwards and backwards. That's definitely tank steering mode there, isn't it? So that isn't quite what I wanted, but it will still do the same job. As long as you remember that's left and right instead of forwards and backwards. And then up and down for the blade or digger or whatever you want to call it. Right, well, we'll have to go and dig out the tractor and see if we can get it working. Well, I've been back and looked at the AliExpress listing and it looks like it's my mistake. I'm absolutely sure I ordered the right one, but my order definitely shows that I ordered the wrong one. Simple choice, A or B. B is the one that I wanted, but it looks like I've ordered A, which is tank steering, which is what I've got. So the left stick and the right stick both go up and down, instead of having the right stick going left to right. Can't understand how I managed to get it wrong, but it's not the first time I've ordered the wrong thing. So it'll still work, but it won't be what I wanted. I'll just add this bit onto the same video. I've been up in the loft and dug out the tractor that I want to try and put that receiver on. While I was up there, I also brought down my tanks, because this particular one is supposed to be 27 megahertz and I can't get any of my transmitters to talk to it, so it's tempting not to put the receiver in there. It's tempting to put it in there instead. Certainly the transmitter would fit it better because it's tank steering on the transmitter. I'm not sure whether the barrel, whatever we call this bit, is controlled remotely. Certainly the turret rotates, So that would fit in with that transmitter. We've got left motor, right motor, and it's actually marked as up and down, but that could also work as left and right for the turning of the turret. So I'm in two minds now. I bought it for that, but I might well use it on that instead. We'll see. That one is hobby grade, converted from a toy. That one has no power in it at all. That's a push along. And so is that one. That one's obviously missing a few bits and pieces. I just picked up in a charity shop because it was cheap. And that one's still got the label on it. £2.49. Gosh, why should I pay £2.49 for one of them? And that one was £4. It's too bright. I've got the light on the camera at the moment. That one cost me £4, and that was a real waste of money unless you actually had the transmitter to go with it, which it didn't have. Don't know how much that one was. And while I was up in the loft, just to carry on waffling for a second, I also found my CDs with all the old software on it, including that Astra 4500 UMAX, which was the scanner I was trying to get working the other day as well. It'd be no good for Windows 10, or at least I assume it won't be. Windows 98, ME, 2000 and XP. So, there you go. I'll make a choice as to which one of those I'm actually going to put the receiver on, and we'll do that in a separate video. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.